y'all, welcome to my first ever grocery haul. I went to Walmart and I also went to the meat market here in town. So I'm going to show y'all what I got. These are the non-grocery items. Got the kids some vitamins, and we got some hairspray, some toothpaste, and bobby pins. One other non-food item was these cotton balls. Got the kids this Yo Crunch yogurt that comes in the big box, and it has Oreos and M&M. And I got that shredded hash browns back there for a recipe I'm going to do this week. We also got some string cheese, Fiesta blend cheese, and some medium cheddar cheese, some whipping cream, some semi-sweet chocolate chips for some cookies I plan to make. I usually get the Stokes iced coffee, but I went with this kind. It's a little cheaper. I'm trying to save money. We love this zesty ranch for dipping chicken in. Me and my daughter, it's our favorite. And for a recipe I'm making, I just bought this bottle. It's a small bottle, only 8 ounces of ranch. I need that whole bottle. And tonight we're actually going to do tacos. So I've got some tostadas and some refried beans. My kids love goldfish, so we have the pizza flavor and the flavor blasted cheddar. Also, we got some of these Totino's party pizzas, a combination. We got 2 of those just to have. And then we got lettuce, tomatoes, and avocado. And from the meat market, they have the best pimento cheese. And I got 2 humongous chicken breasts for a recipe. And 4 packages of lean ground beef. Some romaine lettuce. And some green onions. We also got some bananas and some more sliced cheese and some pepperoni slices because the kids like those. My daughter wanted to try these. We've never tried the Great Value brand. She wants to take those for her lunch one day. Actually 2 days because she only eats probably 1. And I like to have things like the little corny dogs just for quick fix meals. And my kids like these for breakfast. And I usually buy the Texas style garlic toast, but I tried this last time and it was actually really good and it's cheaper. Now I'm going to walk back over here, and I have buns. We're going to make sloppy joes one day, and some bread. Man, the humidity outside, my bread is like fogging up. And for snacks, the kids got to each pick one of these. Well, the younger ones who like to take their lunch. My youngest son got honey buns. My daughter picked the fancy cakes. And Mama had to have, I love these, y'all. I know they're not good for you, but I love these for the fall. And I was very disappointed. They were out of the traditional Prego sauce. So I got the 3 cheese. My favorite is traditional. And I always like to have macaroni and cheese on hand. We were out, so I got a couple boxes. And I got some sugar. And over there, I have some Bounty napkins. Those are my favorite to get. And then, these sounded good. I like these for like just quick fix. You just microwave the water and put them in. This is cheddar and sour cream. Sounded good. We also have the butter and herb. And my daughter's going to hold these up. This is a country style sausage flavored gravy. We got 3 packages of the brown gravy and 2 packages of the country gravy. I love those. And then also the chewy fudge brownies. Yum. And I like to have this on hand. The Suddenly pasta salad, the ranch and bacon. We got the Ritz for a recipe, and then the kids are going to eat the rest. Paper plates, like to have because I hate doing dishes. And my daughter thought, hey, let's try these strawberries and cream Quaker oatmeal. And my sons each like the Reese's Puffs. And I love Fruity Pebbles myself. And then for the chips, Doritos, always have to have those. My youngest wanted sour cream and onion. We got these poppables, and then my daughter wanted these Sun Chips. And I think that is everything. Is that everything, Kiki?
Yep, I think so.
Well, thank you for watching our first ever grocery haul.
Yeah.
What do you want the people to do?
Like, subscribe, and turn those post notifications on. Help my mama out.
Thank you.